this is again a very important section. And test of divisibility, let's look at all the tests. First of all, try to explain to you what divisible means and what divisibility means. And divisible by means when you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number. And you know what a whole number is, no remainder. So examples we're given here is that 14 is divisible by 7. Why do we say that? Because when you divide 14 by 7, you get 2. Exactly. There's no remainder. So that number is divisible. But whereas if you have the 15 is not divisible by 7, because if you divide by 7, yes, it goes in, 7 goes twice, but you're left with 1 remainder here. So therefore, the result is not a whole number. So we would say that 15 is not divisible by 7. And 0, by the way, for those of you who don't know, is regarded as a whole number. And 0 is divisible by 7 because 0 divided by 7 is 0. So divisible by and can be exactly divided by means the same thing. That's important to understand. Now, before we look at all the rules for the numbers for divisibility test, let's look at the simple example. And this rules let you test if one number is divisible by another without having to do too much caution. But an example which you have taken is 723. Now, let me see if I can write this down. So your example here is 723. Now this 723, we are trying to divide by 3. And our rule says you find add. These are called digits. Now the 3 digits here, 7, 2, and 3. And add the digits. In other words, some people say find the sum of the digits, which is the same thing. Add the digits or find the sum of the digits. And as you know, your 7 plus your 2 plus your 3 gives you 12. Now, is 12 divisible by 3? Does 12 come in your 3 times table? Yes, it does. So this number 723 can be divided by 3 or is divisible by 3. So that's a good example.